Hey guys, we're going to talk about this Zone 2-inch leveling kit. This will fit 14 to 19 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 pickup trucks. So let's take a look inside. First glance of this kit, it comes with a very nice box with everything to do the install. The first part I want to talk about is these top-mounted coil spring spacers. These are a bolt end designed into the coil spring pocket and retains your coil spring in place. These are pitched and indexed to keep your coil springs from bowing, which is a common issue with other leveling kits for these trucks. These are a boxed and welded steel design for a very heavy-duty construction. These kits are designed to work with your factory suspension, to level the stance out front to back, retain factory ride quality, and also for bigger tire clearances. Zone also comes with your Factory Protection Plus warranty. If you're wondering what size tire you can run with this kit, you can run a 35-inch tire. And if you want to improve your ride quality, you can upgrade to our shocks. And if you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com and visit us on our Facebook and Instagram for any updates that we may have for you.